Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on uploading videos to TikTok on PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you don't have your phone on you, you can still upload content to TikTok if you have a computer. You will have to edit your videos first because there are no filters or effects when uploading this way. To do it, open a web browser and go to tiktok.com. Click Login from the top right of the screen. Log in to your TikTok account here. When you are signed in, click the Upload button to the left of your profile icon. Click Select Video to upload and attach your video. Now enter the caption, select a cover photo and choose the privacy settings for your post. Click Post once done. That TikTok will now be posted to your account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.